Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today also I start my vlog. I'm from Nepal. I live in Saudi Arabia before 4 year and half. And foreign employer as a coffee maker in Saudi Arabia. Daily life, how do we survive? So my vlog exploring that one content. So I make vlog daily. Is what time I feel the better. If I have the good time, that time I shoot the vlog. So now today my duty finished, then I'm going home. So this is time my duty finish time. That's why today when I came duty, that time I doesn't make the vlog because that time I feel too hot. That's why I don't shoot the vlog. So this is Saudi Arabia as a foreign employer, as a coffee maker, daily life survive. So now I go home, but this is for me. Maybe people doesn't know about that one. We don't have if transportation not available inside company, we have to just like this survive. It's been now it's almost a night. 2 a.m. 20 minutes go. So my room, then duty place, destination time 20 minutes. That's why I want to shoot the vlog. It's the same like the what I face the situation. That one I want to shoot the vlog. This is the night. It's no have the camera. It's not we cannot see it anywhere. But this is my real life, daily life survive this situation. So just I want to capture just this situation. What I survived daily life. Just like that. So this is Saudi Arabia real life. If morning duty is gonna finish the day, that time is not dark. But night time duty finish is like that. Some shop 12 o'clock, some shop 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So my shop 2 o'clock finish my duty. Then I have to go accommodation. So in the way duration time I have to face like this situation. So maybe beginning people, then some people doesn't know about that one. Maybe if you have in the city area, there is good location, there is good way. But my is what you see is like that. So now I finally came to front side to the light. So today is normal day, then what today little bit more tired because today is Thursday. That's why it's a little bit more we tired because Thursday, Friday is more customer in coffee shop. It depends the you sector. Maybe you work in the construction line. Maybe you work with government office. There Thursday, Friday is off day. But this is the private business. That's why Thursday, Friday is we have more work. We have to hard work because also we happy that there is customer coming. So finally I arrived. Good way. Where is the light? So before day I should vlog only daytime, but daytime I have not feel the better. That's why I should night. So now is just night time. I feel today only is good weather. Temperature is good, but morning I think it's become more cool. But daytime now temperature is more hot. We cannot stay a long time. Extra hot. So people doesn't know about my video. What I explain, what I talking, why I make the vlog. So this is my vlog in Saudi Arabia. Foreign employer as a coffee maker, daily life, how we survive. Reality versus expectation. What do we think? Expectation or what do we get the reality? So this is time almost the people, our country is sleep. Even to me, before I came Saudi Arabia, just I work in the morning, day, night I sleep. But when I come Saudi Arabia, is from starting beginning, now is almost 4 years and a half. Just night work, morning is not work. So now you can see the I came this one separate way. I have the next one is highway. I can walk the I can go this way, but I didn't want this way because this one is more sound. This way is more car. So disturb to me in my block. This is sound. That's why I feel better this one inside. Village the separate way. Have the small way. This one is no one disturb to me. It's very good way. I can feel better. I'm comfortable. Even is good. Very good place. So even that this way, if the daytime is too much hot, we cannot imagine what the situation actually. But now it's very good. Now night is very good weather.